This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Charming remodeled home on corner lot. Nothing has been left untouched. Original hardwood floors have been restored and pretty tile has been installed in kitchen and baths. All appliances in the kitchen will remain and are brand new. The home is on a large lot and has plenty of room to build a nice shop or even a tiny home. This home has been lovingly remodeled to provide a great home for those wanting to purchase as a first-time home owner or downsizer. Come see it before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.